Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to play Surgeon Simulator on mobile. First, locate and download the official Surgeon Simulator application from your device's App Store, whether it's the Apple App Store or Google Play. Before starting, ensure your mobile device has at least 2 GB of RAM and sufficient storage, typically around 500 megabytes, for optimal performance. Once installed, launch the game and explore the main menu to select your first challenging surgical procedure. Mastering the mobile controls is crucial for successful surgery. You'll primarily use intuitive touch gestures. For instance, a single tap selects an instrument, while a tap and hold allows you to pick it up and move it around the operating theater. Pinching 2 fingers together or spreading them apart will zoom your view in or out, offering precision for delicate tasks. Swiping with 1 finger rotates the camera, giving you a full 360-degree perspective of your patient. To excel, focus on precision. Avoid frantic movements. Instead, use slow, controlled gestures to manipulate instruments. Remember to utilize the surgical tray to temporarily store tools you are not actively using, preventing clutter. Always prioritize critical actions, such as clamping arteries to stop blood loss, which can be done within the first 30 seconds of a procedure. Mastering these techniques will significantly improve your chances of a successful operation. Playing on mobile can present unique challenges. If you find the controls too sensitive, navigate to the options menu and adjust the touch sensitivity to a lower setting for finer control. For extremely delicate operations, some players find a capacitive stylus offers superior precision compared to a fingertip. Also, be mindful of the pace. While there isn't an explicit timer, efficiency is key, as prolonged procedures often lead to complications for your virtual patient.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.